Monster Rock Slide monster trucks. You can drive them on your own. And first, we have to open this with very funny opening things.
Careful. Here, honey. Here, buddy. Okay.
Yep. Nothing wrong. Huh?
And we need to be very careful now.
And now let's see what's going to happen.
What's inside?
And there's a remote control. I don't have a lot of remote control toys, right?
Right.
So this is about my second one. It's definitely my second remote control toy.
Here, honey. Here. This is the one so you can take off this one.
Wait, let me do it.
Good job. Get that one part. Now we'll do this. Here we go.
So this is left and right, and this is up and down, okay. Left, right, up, down.
Okay.
Let me fix something.
We need the
Fix.
plastic wheel.
Let's fix the wheel. Okay, if you want to do this, you need a very tiny Phillips screw. Mommy, I think I can do this. I did it.
And we need
I'm very proud of myself.
3 pieces of
Or
double
take
A.
a screwdriver and
That one is kind of tricky.
let me try.
Let me see. Okay, one more.
I'm very proud of myself.
Be very proud of yourself. Okay, got it. Okay, now, you want to do the battery?
Now I just need to fix some things up.
Okay, so this is double A. So we need 2 double A
Two
for the
double A,
remote
okay.
control.
Yep,
you
I
look
know.
the positive and negative. Okay,
So-
there's a plus. Okay,
Oh, the plus is
let
over.
me see.
There's no. That's a minus.
Okay, so if it's a minus,
You do that side.
no, look, I'll show you. So you know what is plus. Okay, this is a minus. It goes there, okay?
And that's a plus. I
You have
know.
to go here.
I know, Mommy. I've seen this before.
Okay.
I know what to do. Mom, I'm trying to put it in, Mom.
Okay,
Why is it not fitting?
can I help you? I think this one is a triple A.
Double. Does
I
it
think-
say AAA?
No, for this one. For the one, I think that is for triple A for the remote control.
The AA batteries are for the monster truck.
Okay, we need how many?
And 3. We need
Okay,
3.
now
So
we need
you
to
go get
find-
another one. And
Positive. The plus.
there it is. And the
Okay.
plus go there.
Okay, so this one is the plus.
And I know. The spring goes. And I know what to do.
Okay. Good job.
I've done that before. What was the remote? Oops. And you need the AAA batteries for the remote.
Did you see?
Oh no, I accidentally did that the wrong side.
How many?
It goes like. Let's see. We made a mistake on the battery. It's not triple. It's not AA on here. It's this type of battery. And you have to put it.
Where is the positive? Let me see the positive.
Put
This is the positive, so it should be like that.
no. What?
Okay, try it. No, that way, Rani. That way. Okay, here. Okay,
Yeah, I
good
did
job.
Actually, screw this back on.
Oh, wait.
I'm trying to close it. I'm controlling my mom. This is how you turn the remote on. You see that? You pull that way, pull that way. We're going to do that way. This is left and right. This is up and down. So look.
You have to turn on the monster truck.
Oh yeah. And it's out of the way, and then you turn it the other way, and then I get the. So, okay, I'm going to do this. See, and I'll press that down. I'll do this.